So in this video, I will be building a budget YouTube setup and I will be also giving you tips for a good YouTube setup. Hey, it's Fazil from Tech Supporter YouTube channel where I provide content about tech, and if you are new here then hit the subscribe button, and if you are my old subscriber then you might have noticed in my previous video that my background is different because I'm planning my setup. So let's put that to the side and let's begin. First step is to remove all the stuff from the desk like keyboard, mouse, monitor, laptop, speaker, etc. Step 2 is to clean the desk. You can use a cloth or a paper towel to clean the desk. Or if your desk is too dirty, you can use a bit of water to clean the desk. Step 3 is to disassemble the desk. If you want to change the desk spot or if you can't disassemble the desk, you can just move it where you want to put it. I will move my desk to the wall. Step 4 is to put the stuff back on the desk. I have a 19 inches monitor but it's not working. My other monitor is arriving soon, so for now I will put this one, and now I will put my other stuff like my Xbox, my unboxed gadgets, my controllers, my tripod, my speakers, mouse and keyboard. So now I will move the chair and the trolley to a side. Step 5 is decoration. So I got some quartz frames which I will put on the wall, and I will also put the 1000 subscriber award on the wall. So now I will fix some wires and other stuff.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. So
this is the final look of my desk setup. I hope you like this video. If you do then don't forget to hit this like button, and you can drop your thoughts about this setup in the comments, and I have planned some amazing videos for you guys, so consider subscribing. And if you want to know how you can connect your phone to your laptop wirelessly, then you can click here, you will find a video here. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.